In this video, we're going to solve a programming question, but we're going to solve it in the simulator itself. So we have sim8085.com as our simulator. We can use this as our simulator. You can see the UI of this one. We have all the registers A, B, C, D, E, H, L, S, P, P, C here, and then also the flags. We can also inspect the memory from here. If we want to go to any of the memory locations, we can jump to that particular memory location from here. Okay, now back to the question. So in this question, we're asked to write an 8085 program to load the number 2500H into DE register pair, load the number 1500H into HL register pair, add DE to HL using DAD, and then store the result as at memory locations 4000H and 4001H. Okay, so how do we approach this question? So first of all, what we're going to do is use LXI D, 2500H, which will load 2500H to DE pair. We'll also do LXI H, 1500H, which will load 1500H to HL pair. Now if we do DADD, now the value of DE and HL is added, and then the result is stored in HL pair itself. Now we are asked to store the result as at memory locations 4000H and 4001H, which means the memory locations are consecutive, and then we need to store the values from HL pair, which means we can use SHLD instruction, and then we basically provide the starting address. So and then at the end, now we terminate the program. So in this line, in the address 4000, the value of register L will go to 4000H, and then the value of register H will go to 4001H, and then we terminate the program. So now we can run this program using the play button that you see here. So just hit run and then see the result here. So if we see the result, D pair is loaded with 2500H, HL pair is initially loaded with 1500H. When we add D plus HL, the result will be stored in HL pair itself. So 5 plus 5 is 10, which is A, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. So the result is 3A00. Now what we've done is stored the value 00 in 4000H and then 3A in 4001H. If we want to see if the value is indeed saved into the memory or not, we can click on memory. We can expand the memory. We can go to any address, go to 4000 and then we can see that the value 3A is stored in 4000H, and then 00 is stored in 4001H. So this is how we use a simulator to run our 8085 program. The link is www.sim8085.com.